I'm on my way to see 5 multi-million-dollar homes. I'm gonna have a ton of DIY ideas when I leave this place. I'll give you the good stuff, and it's all next on Home Pro Hero. Shows like this, maybe in your area, definitely in my area, gives you a ton of ideas to do at home. I do this every year. I get crazy ideas. Just like I did a couple years ago. Came back and did all these ideas. So hopefully today, I can get some more ideas, go home and complete those too. You might be able to do the same thing, and all, we'll increase the value of our homes. Okay, house 5 is the first one up. It is windy, cold, and rainy right now, so hopefully you can hear me all right. Hey, check this out. Really jazzes up a concrete driveway. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's super cool. Imagine if I could put art on that. Fireplace is really nice. It's crazy. This is all steel here. Pretty neat. Fireplace too. Very clean. I don't know what this ceiling is. Deep windows, deep walls. Kitchen, high-end appliances for sure. I like the super wide entry here. Crazy, isn't it? It's a nice area. Definitely like the screens here. Looks like they have them over there too, but they have them open. No, they're actually closed. No, they're open. This one's closed. Actually, they are. I can't tell if they're open. Wow. I could not tell if this was open or closed, but it's obviously closed. Butler's Pantry. Pretty neat. Definitely like that. I want one of these. Okay, they got a downstairs laundry room too. The trim in this house is really nice. 8-inch baseboards throughout. I like this master bedroom. Super nice. Pretty dark paint, but I think it works with the enormous window. It's about the size of a garage door. The wainscoting is really unique with that. And look at the ceiling. Pretty cool. Of course, the humongous baseboards. You gotta love that. I'm not a fan of the tub. I like white. But the sink area looks gorgeous. Shower. Boy, I really like the wall. I wonder how that does with water. Looks sharp. Custom closet. Very nice. Gotta do that still. Don't have my chandelier in my closet. Pocket doors. Gotta do pocket doors. This wall looks really cool from a distance. Check this out. Pretty neat. Oh, wow. Very nice. Huh. Check this out. Not custom. Crazy floor in that bathroom. I like the shelves right here. It's kind of neat. Simple little built-in drywall nip. Not quite sure what it is. It looks like it's wood. It looks really good. There's that penny tile. Recommend not doing that. It's a nightmare. Yeah, I like the staircase here. All wood floor. This is all custom. It's nice. Yeah, I love this spot right here. Obviously, built-in. It's really nice. Yeah, I bet you can sit 30 people in this home bar. That's ridiculous. Very interesting here. It's like a rope. Huh. Little weight room. Gotta have a wide staircase too. It's a must. Over 4 foot. Anything less is too tight. A lot of studies are just dark in color. Real dark trim with dark walls. Okay, house number 2. More of a traditional look compared to the one we just came from, which is right next door. Okay, I like the bookcases wrapping around the doorway. Looks very nice. And they're custom too. A lot of molding. Interesting detail how they got around that light switch. Like that shiplap ceiling. Looks nice. I like the headers too. Once again, the custom built-ins. The house feels super tight compared to the last one. Common theme. Need to get one. Super nice use of space here with the stairway tucking underneath there. No one's gonna see this area. Nice little laundry room. I'll have to see what these thin cues are about. Pretty nice little laundry room. I like the windows too. Everybody's got black windows. Once again, 8 to 10, I think those are 10-inch baseboards. Real clean. Trim, pocket door, little locker area. Oh, there's the outside. Open those up and you have both side bars. Oh, nice bathroom. I like the subway tiles down low like that. Timbers look familiar. I think every home has some. Got a nice sitting room over there too. Okay, nice bathroom here. Mirrors with the lights in there. It seems to be common. Yeah, I like, ooh, heated floors. I can feel it. I'm not sure about this bathtub with the two front windows. A little awkward. Yeah, it's cool. That's a really cool floor. It's got like a texture to it. Let's see what this closet looks like. It's legit. It's big too. Very nice. I like the light switch. Oh, wow. Built-ins above the door. It's kind of weird. There's a door there. And a den. Molding's clean. Let's check out the basement. I like the brick right off the bat. Take that out. It's beautiful. Oh, this is one you can see through here. Light shining from underneath. Pretty neat. I like the bar. I saw this the last time I was at the home-a-rama. It's almost like one by material on drywall, but the contrast looks great. See how they tied that in down there? Downstairs bathroom. Wow, look at this wallpaper. Oh, wow. It's like, wow, it's like sewn in, I think. Can't imagine the price. Let's go upstairs. Holy pink, right? I think it works for a little girl. See, they got like a little living space up here. Okay, nice. Oh wow, $4. Nice custom built-ins. This house is loaded with built-ins. Really nice. Look at that. I like the cushions on top. Must be custom. Guess 2 stairways to the top. This must be a back. Wainscoting's really clean too. Low profile, not 3/4, looks like 1/2 inch. All light oak wood floors, white oak. Both houses so far. Love the brick. That's real brick too, I asked. Definitely like the first house better for the layout, but the custom cabinetry and bookcases in this house, over the top compared to the last. Hey, keep in mind, I'm only going to talk about the things I really like. I'm just going to give you some ideas and myself some ideas on what I could do at my house or your house to improve the value of the home. A lot of great ideas. The inside of this so far is really nice. 24 feet ceilings up there. Not a fan of the kitchen with all the gold, only because the gold down there is different than the gold right there on the burners. Interesting. Look at these windows. These windows go away to the floor. Must be tempered. Can't imagine the price on those windows. Look at the air ducts. Really clean. So like my bath vanities, very clean. It's a lot of work. Cool little dining room. Like the transition from the wood to the tile. Pretty nice little outdoor area here. Pretty unique, it has a bathroom. Like the shiplap. That almost seems like a Hispanic theme out here with the music and the colors. I feel like I'm in Cancun, right? All these homes have these humongous screens that come down automatically, which is super nice. It just keeps everything wide open. A lot of built-in there. Really nice. I really like this right here. The lights are up inside here. Pretty neat. Gives it a really good look. Look at that, especially at night. I like the cork. Like a piece of glass, a bunch of corks. A lot of wine. Bathroom, a little crazy for me. No thanks. Check out this door. 10 foot, maybe 12. Wow. Oh, I really like the stone on the master room. I think this is the master. Killer bathroom. This bathroom's crazy. Closet, its own laundry room. Crazy. Woo. Jeez. I don't know how tall these ceilings are, but they're up there. Like the windows going down to the stairway, it's really clean. Of course, the carpet on the steps. I need to do that. It feels great too. I like the nails. For the kids, that's pretty neat. Nice use of space. I love this right here. Looks nice. Built in. Feels like something's missing here. All right, weight room. Check out this basement. Wow. golf simulator, pool. Same colors as my basement. It's a great look. The white oak floors with the dark gray. They even went dark gray on the ceiling with the gold accent light pieces. Looks really, really clean. Black covers. I like how they have the plugs in the baseboards. Man, I bet it's like 10 to 11 foot ceiling diameter, maybe 12. Those are queens stacked up. So of course I have to see what's back here. I didn't go all the way through. Oh wow. Can't imagine the price on those. Okay, I really like that inside of that house. Super crazy, cool. Okay, last two houses, this gray one and then the black one right next to it. Oh, those 12-foot garage doors. Nice hood. Can't imagine the price on that. Ooh, don't like that. The dining room's a little funky. That ceiling. Okay, Butler's pantry, dark gray with gold. Jeez. Well, storage. Man, oh man. Ooh. Master. Kind of small. I like it though. It's nice. Man, I can't imagine these windows from floor to ceiling. Everybody likes these timbers. It's hot. Hot topic. Anybody can do those. Bathroom, his and hers. No threshold. That's a winner. Check out the backsplash. Wow. Man, I can't imagine that. See what the closet looks like. It's nice. Custom built in. Your bench right there. Got this study. One of my favorites. I think I like the color. Don't really like the traditional stuff, but this one really hits home. I like the brown with the black windows. Looks really sharp. Look at that contrast. Pretty cool looking laundry room. Kind of weird with these holes. Exactly what that is, but they carry it through to here. Once again, light white oak floors. Head outside real quick. Modest outside. It's nice though. Man, look at that view. It's not board and batten. It's got the indent. It's kind of nice. It's done well. Everybody does that stained pine board at the top there. See it? Easy to do. You can do that after the fact too. Check out this basement. Like 5 or 6 foot wide. How do you get a glass of wine? Curious. I like the black with the white and the brown. Check out this weight room. That wallpaper. I don't know if I could work out in here like this. Benjamin Franklin watching you work out. It's kind of weird. Ooh, I like the built-in. Very nice. I like the gold. With the dark. Check out the ceiling. Herringbone floors too. That's unique. And it feels like laminate. Oh, let's head outside. Okay, this makes up for the upstairs not being as nice. It's nice, but this is really nice. A wife would love that. Who wouldn't? The wallpaper? Ooh, it's not lined up right. And once again, the stairway takes the cream of the crop. I like that detail. It's pretty neat. Oh, the black blinds look great. Pretty cool. Pocket doors. Wallpaper. I love wallpaper, man. It's starting to make a comeback. My wife, no go. It's not sold on it. I like the octagon. There's that penny tile. Don't do it. Nightmare to clean. Look at this wainscoting. It's all the way up and down the walls. Everybody's got black windows. Everybody's got white oak floors. Look at that. Floor, windows. That laundry room. Yeah. Oof. Don't like the top at all. Yeah. Sure it's expensive, but not a fan. Not a fan of the color of the cabinets either. I like the big mirror. That mirror for $3 million. I think the closet has to be better. A little busy back there. That's a lot of work. Seams are ugly. Real ugly. Don't like the difference in the stairs and then the floor. See it? Check out this garage. Thing is a monster. Holy smokes. Ooh, smart siding. LP, good stuff. Although these are really expensive homes, some of the ideas you can take from them can make your home look a lot better and look a lot more expensive. I do this every year. I get crazy ideas. Love the flowers. Ooh, I don't like the entrance to the house. Ooh, super contemporary. No, not my type of home. Pretty interesting. Show all the dirt. Butler's Pantry. I think they all have Butler pantries. Every house has had a water dispenser. Oof, I don't know about this one. Huh. Interesting can lights. Okay, let's check out this master. Ooh. Baseboards are cool. I've seen this before with the shower and the tub in the same area. I like that idea. All the water stays in here. So where's the drain at? Oh, look at this. There's the drain. Crazy. Like the backsplash. What's over here? Powder room? Oh, it wraps around. Okay, big closet. Big tiles. I don't know what those are, but what are they? 3x3s? That floor. I like the floor in here a lot. That's unique. See that? Ugh, I don't like how. I think just going straight to the ceiling would have been fine, but to come over and make it feel like a cage, I guess that gives you that light right there. Pretty cool light. Wow, good quality too. All right, this might be my favorite room here. Holy cow. Super cool room. Look at this. Okay, I like this one. Heaters, look how high the ceiling is in this. Oh, this is a great party room. What is this stuff? Metal? Huh. I think I like the black trim. It's just like black colors and gray colors, but pretty neat. This would be a cool place to hang out. Man, look at this. I mean, that is wide open. Man, check out the floors. Ooh, a sauna. Nice. All right, I like this area over here. There's that wall again, just like the one house. I think it was the first house. Like 11 or 10-foot ceilings on here. Oh, look, a water dispenser. I want to get one. Really cool. Oh, mechanicals. Can you say smart home? Jeez. Holy smokes. Whew. Crazy. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 gas leads. I really like the bar in this house. Pretty cool with that backlit stone. Let's head upstairs. I don't know what to expect up here. Man, a lot of stone. And I can't imagine a wall like that, the price of it. Whew. High ceilings. Yeah, I like the wide plank. That's really nice. Oh, cool window. I mean, it's a nice home for sure. It's just not my style. That's the problem with it. Is this tile? It sure is. That's cool. Expensive. Cool. They got like a little patio. I'm not gonna go out there. I have my socks on. Oh, they got a TV right there too. Nice. A lot of shiplap. Looks like 8-inch shiplap. Okay, bigger pennies here, but man, that's still a lot of ground. Look at that. You can tell it's already dirty already.
Yeah, I think it's
stealing this idea today. So real quick, every house had black windows. Every house had white oak floors, mostly wide plank. A lot of stone. All in all, I like the outside of 5, and I like the inside of 3. If I could have both those, it'd be a dream home. Hope you liked the video. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.